Cooking seafood doesn't have to be intimidating. I'll show you how easy it is with my friends at Hy-Vee. This miso marinated broiled cod is melt in your mouth perfection. I'm Andrew Zimmern. This is seafood without the catch. The trick here, well, no trick at all. Just buy wild-caught Alaskan cod.
This is Alaskan cod. When you're talking about sustainability and responsible choice, you start with Alaska. It is in their constitution to be sustainable and environmentally friendly. So this cod's caught whole, frozen, and then filleted later as needed. It is stunning fish, and it's managed responsibly.
It's pretty stunning. It's like I just caught it and filleted on the back of my boat. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. Cod is one of my favorite fish, and Alaskan cod is pristine and famous around the world for its flaky white texture. This recipe starts with very light miso. Miso is a fermented soybean paste and a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of rice wine, mirin. Mirin is sweetened rice wine. Then your pieces of fish go in there. This is gonna sit in my fridge for 48 hours. And the cod has absorbed the miso and the sugars so that when it broils, you actually have a textural change in the surface of the fish, and you also get that incredible caramelization on the outside. Now, I grab my pieces of cod and line them up onto my sheet. Just a little tablespoon on top. This goes under a broiler about 6 inches away max. So after 6, 7 minutes, when you start to see that light caramelization, I always like to throw a little more of the marinade on. Back into the oven this goes. At least 3 or 4 minutes, high broil. Look at that fish. We use a no-stick pad so that this black caramelized stuff we can just get rid of. While the fish is resting, I have a skillet preheating. Add just a little bit of oil, and we're gonna saute some spinach to accompany this. Here we go. Sesame seeds for a little nutty crunch. Sesame oil, a little goes a long way. You just want a half teaspoon. Salt. You wanna make sure to season this. You can see how quickly this comes together. The spinach really sweetens as it cooks. I'm gonna place a piece of fish on each plate and just put a little pile of spinach next to each piece of fish. There it is. Simple broiled miso cod with spinach. $1 million flavor using Alaska's favorite seafood, wild-caught cod. That is flakiness.